Centrum is a multivitamin product that is used to treat or prevent vitamin deficiency caused by a poor diet, certain illnesses, or during pregnancy. Vitamins are essential for the body and help to maintain good health. It provides a wide range of benefits, including supporting overall health and wellness, boosting the immune system, and promoting energy production. The recommended daily dosage for adults is 1 tablet taken with food. It is best to take Centrum at the same time each day to help establish a routine. When taking Centrum, it's important to follow the instructions on the product packaging or as directed by your doctor. Do not exceed the recommended dosage. If you have any concerns or questions, be sure to consult your doctor or pharmacist. It's best to use a medication measuring device to carefully measure the prescribed dose, rather than a household spoon. Centrum is most effective when taken on an empty stomach, either 1 hour before or 2 hours after meals. However, if you experience stomach upset, you can take it with food. It's important to avoid taking antacids, dairy products, tea, or coffee within 2 hours before or after taking Centrum, as they can decrease its effectiveness. If you experience constipation, diarrhea, or upset stomach, these effects are usually temporary and may go away as your body gets used to Centrum. If these effects persist or worsen, consult your doctor or pharmacist. The iron in Centrum may cause your stools to turn black, which is not harmful. Your doctor has prescribed this medication because they have determined that the benefits outweigh the risks of side effects. Many people using Centrum do not experience serious side effects. While rare, a serious allergic reaction to Centrum may occur. Seek immediate medical help if you notice symptoms such as rash, itching/swelling, especially of the face/tongue/throat, severe dizziness, or trouble breathing. This is not a complete list of possible side effects. If you experience any other effects not listed here, contact your doctor or pharmacist. If you are in the US, you can report any side effects to the FDA at 1-800-FDA-1088 or at www.fda.gov/medwatch. In Canada, you can report side effects to Health Canada at 1-866-234-2345. Accidental overdose of iron-containing products is a leading cause of fatal poisoning in children under 6 years old. Keep this product out of reach of children. If an overdose occurs, seek medical help immediately or contact a poison control center. Before taking Centrum, it's important to talk to your doctor or pharmacist about any allergies you may have, as well as your medical history. This includes conditions like iron overload disorder, alcohol use, liver problems, and stomach/intestinal issues. If you are diabetic, have alcohol dependence, or liver disease, you should use caution with the liquid form of Centrum. Additionally, if you are pregnant or breastfeeding, it's important to consult your doctor before using this medication. Centrum is a multivitamin and mineral supplement that is used to help fill in nutritional gaps in the diet. It can also be used to provide extra nutrients during times of increased need, such as pregnancy or breastfeeding. The daily dosage and optimal timing for taking Centrum can vary based on individual needs, so it's best to consult with a healthcare professional for personalized recommendations. It's important to note that Centrum can interact with other medications you may be taking. This could affect how your medications work and increase your risk for serious side effects. It's important to keep a list of all the products you use, including prescription/non-prescription drugs and herbal products, and share it with your doctor and pharmacist. You should not start, stop, or change the dosage of any medicines without your doctor's approval. Centrum can decrease the absorption of certain drugs such as bisphosphonates, levodopa, penicillamine, quinolone antibiotics, thyroid medications, and tetracycline antibiotics. It's recommended to separate your doses of these medications as far as possible from your doses of Centrum. You should ask your doctor or pharmacist about how long you should wait between doses and for help finding a dosing schedule that will work with all your medications. Additionally, Centrum may interfere with certain lab tests, potentially causing false test results. It's important to make sure that lab personnel and all your doctors are aware that you use this product. If you or someone you know has taken too much Centrum and is experiencing severe symptoms like passing out or difficulty breathing, it's important to seek immediate medical help by calling 911 or your local poison control center. In the US, you can reach the Poison Control Center at 1-800-222-1222, and in Canada, contact your provincial poison control center. Symptoms of overdose may include stomach pain, nausea, vomiting, and diarrhea. If your doctor has recommended Centrum, it's important not to share it with others. While taking Centrum, your doctor may require you to undergo lab or medical tests to monitor your health, such as complete blood count and vitamin B12 levels. Make sure to attend all medical and lab appointments and consult your doctor for more information. Centrum is not a replacement for a balanced diet. It's crucial to maintain a well-rounded diet that includes iron-rich foods such as red meats, especially liver, fish, beans, dried fruit, and iron-fortified or enriched cereals and bread. Remember, a healthy diet is essential for overall health and well-being. If you forget to take a dose of Centrum, take it as soon as you remember. If it's almost time for your next dose, skip the missed one and take the next dose at the usual time. Don't take a double dose to make up for the missed one. Remember to store Centrum at room temperature, away from light and moisture. It's important to keep it out of the bathroom and away from children and pets. When it's expired or no longer needed, make sure to properly discard it. You can consult your pharmacist or local waste disposal company for the best way to do this. And remember, never flush medications down the toilet or pour them into a drain unless instructed to do so. If you need more help, call your doctor for medical advice. In the US, you call FDA, 1-800-FDA-1088. In Canada, you may call Health Canada, 1-866-234-2345. Wishing you good health. Thanks for watching.